Salamat di boss. Hello.
Paano ka sigurahin ng buhay sa panahon?
Number 6, class number. Out of bounds, D-Boss ball. Number 23, class number 5, keep it with the rest. Wala na number 29, number 29, class number 41, class number 5, Hinaka. Number 16, number 6, number 16, pinasay number 26, pinasay number 1 pa rin yun, 22 points para kay number 1. Number 28, pass to number 5, Pumeke, number 5, pinasay ang number 7, kumuha ng 3, wala na rin kami number 28, kumuha ng 3. Number 1. Pinasay number 26 goes up. 82 points para kay number 26. Number 7. Pass number 5. Number 5. CLBC ball. Number 16. Steal. Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 5. Lays out. Wala ka rin kami number 20. Pass to number 29. Easy to points para kay number 3. Number 16. Number 16. Nakuha number 28. Pass to number 28 na. Easy to points para kay number 28. Number 1. Number 1 pass to number 23. 8 minutes to play. Number 28. Evangelista. Number 28 pass to number 41 naman. Wala na rin kami number 1. Pass number 16. Pass number 7 is still to number 5. Pass number 7. Number 7 pass number 28 to the rest. Wala na rin kami. Sino ang wala na number 5? Number 5. Wala pa rin number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Pass number 6. Pass number 16. Tumulo na rest. Wala. Rebound by number. Number 16. Pass number 16. Kick ball. Kanan CLBC. Wala pa yung pati kumalit, wala pa 5 minutes. Save the rest, back to the ball game. Inbound by number 6. Pass to number 7. Wala na rin number 10. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Plays up. Easy to ball from number 5. Score 38-30 in favor of D-Ball. Number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 26. Number 26 will be started. Pass to number 73. Number 73 will mark. Wala na rin number 26. Punta na number 41. Number 5. Pass number 10. number 10, pass number 28, pass number 4, number 1, pass number 26, Pumula ng 3. Rebound by number 20. Warning for delay again. Number 6. Number 21, number 28, pass to number 5. Pass to number 16. Number 1. Number 1. Lays up. Nice cover. Good cover. Number 10, number 10. First person foul. First team foul. Corner shot. Paray, number 1. Number 5, pass to number 10. Seven foul. Pasok.
Gumagalaw!
Oh.
Siyempre lang naman.
Hindi, ito yung oras.
Tapos pwede niya. Ay, 58 niya pala. Seconds ko lang gumalaw.
Satu poin. Ito ang kaya ng binalagan ng cast number 1. Sakto ang binalagan. Number 11. Out of bounds, two boy.
Pabantayin lang ito kasi
Number 1, pass to number 23, Pumula ng 3. Airborne, nauna ng kabila ng push up. Easy to go, para kay number 11. Number 19. Number 19, pass to number 06. Number 06, pass to number 1, back to number 06. Pass to number 16. Number 19, Louis Discarte. Naghanap ang kapasahan, pass to number 06. 4 seconds out na, kumukal. Foul, recall that. Number 1.
sarap yung makatulog kayo. Nasa area ka.
First personal foul, second team foul. Number 1. Naghanap ang kapasahan, pinasaan number 11. Number 11 pull up. Wala na rebound ni number 16. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 06. Number 06. Naghanap ang kapasahan, pinasaan number 30. 18 seconds shot. Kumuha ng best in and out. Number 1, number 03. Number 03. Number 03 pull up. Pinasa ko na po kaya. Ang situkan sa number 1. Number 06. Pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 06. Kumuha ng 3. Wala rin bang 03. Number 03 nagmamalaga. Number 03 laser. Easy to go. Tigo.
Isa na lang. Isa na abot.
Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 16, pass to number 06. Number 06, pass to number 19, tulungan na 3. Wala rin bang by number 1. Number 1, foul. Who's foul ulit? Number 1. First personal foul. First foul. Number 19, tulungan na 3. Wala na po ang number 1 na lahat. Easy to go sa number 1. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Number 1. Number 1 nagkamali ka kasama para sa number 05. Number 05. Umangat. Easy to go sa number 05. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Chibos. Number 19. Team sa iyong saga. Number 19. Pass to number 30. Tumunol. Easy to go sa number 30. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1 pass to number 03. Pass to number 05. 12 sa iyong saga. Number 03 na tumulika. Number 1 number. Number 03 sa kanyang tao. Bruce Bolomet. Who's got that? Number 1. Second personal foul. Third foul. Bonus shot para number 03. Pumasok ka. Bonus shot number 03. Number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 06. Second personal foul, second team foul. Dito lang po sa kasi. Wala po.